For sure, Ronald's is literally going to show us the symptoms of anemia. Go for it.
So vision loss, dizziness, blood pressure, low blood pressure, poor sleep because you're not calm, poor sleep, immune system deficiency, and there's another factor where you have this fatigue at about 3 o'clock. I mean fatigue. Fatigue is when you can hardly move yourself out of the chair, right? So, and we see that a lot of women in the age bracket from say 20 to 30 are hard working. They're not eating properly. So the anemia is a very serious problem because, you know, and it makes it even worse when they get their periods every month because they're losing a lot of iron. So definitely look at your iron intake, iron-rich foods, right? And I'm going to give you a recipe shortly which contains a lot of iron that you could cook 3 times a week in this time of the year.
And we're not talking about iron that you get, they say you get from meat.
Nah.
This is the soluble type.
Iron from meat can often be not easily absorbed. And the benefits of eating meat and getting iron are often offset by the quality of the protein fermenting in the digestive tract. And red meat takes 92 hours to break down in the gut. 92 hours. So you may get iron, but often it's blocked by the indigestion of protein. And that's when you get, in fact, the fact that even if you eat meat, but it's fermenting, you're still going to get anemia. Because you're not absorbing the iron properly. It's the wrong iron. It's there, but it's not absorbable. Whereas broad beans iron, and other beans I'm going to talk about in a minute, like red kidney beans, for example, with broad beans, are iron easy.
Brilliant. Thank you for that. Thank you.